Mishi from Mishi World, and today I'm going to be making fudge brownies. So let's get started. For this fudge brownie, you will need 1 fudge brownie mix, and you will need 2 eggs, 60 ml of water, 1/3 cup of oil, a whisk, a baking pan, and a mixing bowl. Next, you put all the ingredients together and then mix them. The brownie mix is ready to pour in the dish with adult supervision. I have lined this dish with foil. If you want to add a personal touch, you can add chocolate chips to your brownie. It's ready to go in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 20 to 23 minutes. These fudge brownies smell amazing. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.